Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over some technical analysis on Zion Oil and Gas, ticker symbol ZNOG. We're going to look at the 180-day 4-hour time frame, and then we're going to look at the daily chart dating back from January 1st, 2022 to yesterday, and we're going to talk about where we think the price action might be going in the short term, long term, and just kind of go from there. So we're going to take a look here on the 180-day 4-hour time frame. As you see here, nice run up from about 9 cents and went all the way to roughly about 17, a little over 17 cents, almost at the tip top of the fib level. We are now seeing a little pullback, which is pretty normal, especially when you have a run up similar to this here. The support level, we're basically right at support at about 14 cents, and it closed at a little over 14.5 cents here. Probably is going to go as low as, I would say, about 12 cents if it is going to keep coming down. And then if it bounces off of there and busts through 14 again, it's a good sign. Or honestly, if it can hold here at about 14 and consolidate for a day or two, that would actually be more beneficial for us. So currently your support level, like I said, is about 14. You have 12, 10, down to about 8.5, 6, and then all the way down to 3. So it gets interesting here, in my opinion, if we hold here on the support line of about 14 to 14.5 cents, and then we go and we bust through 18. Okay, if we can get through about 18 to 20 cents and then keep moving, or just get above it in general, would get very interesting, as long as the pullback kind of comes to fruition and we don't just go straight up. If we just keep going straight up, you're going to see a very dramatic move down to the back to the downside, similar to this here. You see how we just went straight up from basically about 6 cents all the way to 16, and we dropped all the way down to 8 cents. So right here from 9 to 18, almost 18, so you're almost at 100% gain right here. So you want to see some type of cool off period before it starts moving back to the upside. We were in overvalued territory. The MACD indicator, we are about to cross over from bullish to bearish, so you can expect some type of little pullback from Zion. So let's take a look at the longer term chart, daily chart dating back from January of 2022. Alright guys, taking a look at the daily chart dating back from January 1st, 2022 to yesterday, and as you see here, 42 cents still the tip top of the fib level. And we talked about somewhere around here, you know, if we're going to move up and kind of have that cup and handle pattern that we talked about potentially forming come to fruition, we needed to make some type of move. And could this be the move that we've been waiting on here? Okay, so we did cross over that golden cross breakout indicator. As you see here, it spiked up in price. However, we still are overvalued on the 180-day 4-hour time frame plus the daily chart, and then the MACD is kind of starting to cool down a little bit. So again, you can expect some type of pullback here in the near future from Zion. Doesn't mean it won't go higher, but on the daily chart, instead of 14 cents, keep an eye on about 11 to 12 cents. Okay, so if it pulls back and hits like 12 cents and bounces off of that, you can still see some continued upward momentum. But the big number that we're looking at here, guys, is 18. Okay, 18 to 18.5 cents. That if we can bust through there and then hold, then your next leg up, 22.5 cents, 27, 32, almost 33, and then 42 cents is your overall tip top. And so really, us saying 18.5, I'm going to go ahead and say 20 to 22 cents is a big number that you want to take a look at and keep an eye on. That if we can get above there and hold that level, then things could potentially get interesting on Zion Oil and Gas, especially if they come out with some type of news, and really any type of positive news should make it really start getting interested in moving, because it's honestly just kind of moving on its own like it typically does. Okay, and it could be market makers, it could just, I don't know what it is. Okay, it's definitely not a press release, so just keep an eye out for that. And again, historically, Monday, Thursdays are the days that they'll release information. So just kind of keep an eye out and see what happens on those days, and keep your emails, keep checking your emails and checking stock tweets, checking our channel, because if we have any updates, we'll definitely let you know. So that's all I got for you, this one, guys. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.